Hi, I'm Craig Summers, naturopath and nutritionist. I'm here today with my friend
Peter Ragnar.
And our topic is a plant called Mucuna. Peter, what can you tell us about Mucuna?
Well, this is something that's been discovered in the rainforest down in South America and also in Southeast Asia. It's a very magical plant. It's actually not considered an herb, it's a legume. And it actually is a type of a bean which has unusual properties. Actually, it's one of the secrets of Ayurvedic medicine. And they found that Mucuna has had tremendous properties that enhance cognitive function. It actually allows you to develop new neurotransmitters in the brain, which is incredible. Now, this is one of the difficulties that people have when they have Parkinson's disease, as one example. In Parkinson's disease, the motor nerve signals aren't being transmitted. Well, what researchers discovered was that there was a substance called L-DOPA that they gave to Parkinson's patients and sufferers, and it improved their symptoms tremendously. Actually, so much so that there were some astounding turnarounds. Now, what Mucuna is very rich in is the production of L-DOPA. So that's the magical source of it. Now, one of the studies I came across, it was back in 1974 at the Brookhaven Laboratories out on Long Island, New York. They did studies with mice, and they gave mice L-DOPA in large amounts. And what they found was that it extended their maximum lifespan by 50%.
Wow.
One of the other things they did with Parkinson's sufferers is that they noticed that after they had been given L-DOPA, that while they were dealing with their Parkinson's condition, they did not seem to age at the same rate as other people. So one of the insights that came from the research was that it was an anti-aging element. Well, of course, this wasn't new to yogis and people who were practicing Ayurvedic procedures in India, and it was just one of those little secrets that they came across. Additionally, something else I came across was that in Nigeria, where they have a lot of venomous snakes, they can be very, very deadly. They found that if they took Mucuna, that it acted as an anti-venom.
Wow.
National Institutes of Health also started to study this magical ingredient, and they found that it was anti-diabetic and anti-epileptic. And there's some studies by the NIH, which are very, very dramatic. So this is one of the reasons I take it, not because of epilepsy or diabetes, but really to sharpen my neural connectors.
Yeah, awesome. And what do you notice? Is there anything noticeable when you take this plant?
Well, yeah, it's another one of those plants makes you frisky. That was one of the things they noticed with people who had Parkinson's when they were given L-DOPA, is that it acted as an aphrodisiac. So it has so many different properties, but very magical, very incredible supplement that I make sure that I supplement my diet with. Actually, I sprinkle it in among my raw hemp seeds in the morning in my breakfast. Tastes pretty good too.
Awesome. Well, let's look at some studies and see what has been found about this magical plant.
For men who are infertile, this plant has been proven to bring great healing. Studies revealed that consumption of Mucuna increased both sperm count and motility of the sperm. Both human and animal studies conclude that Mucuna consumption imparts aphrodisiac properties for males. In both Africa and India, Mucuna has been used as an anti-snake venom agent. Now modern science has found the mechanism for its anti-venom properties. A double-blind clinical study was done on people with Parkinson's disease to determine the effect of taking Mucuna. They concluded that Mucuna seed powder is a natural source of L-DOPA and may possess advantages over conventional L-DOPA preparations in the long-term management of Parkinson's disease. In fact, there is evidence to prove that as early as the year 300 BC, Parkinson's disease was identified and treated with Mucuna in India. Mucuna has also been shown to have neuroprotective effects. This may be of benefit for those of us that are noticing that our brains are not what they used to be and want to make sure that our brains stay sharp as we age.